Hey guys, we're about to give you an eco tour of our 1,600 square foot Chelsea model. Let's go. So it's still a bit of a construction site. Interior finishes are happening. Paint is just about to happen. So it's been drywalled, a bunch of interior carpentry has been done, but yeah, let's go, let's check it out. So standing here in the kitchen, beautiful multicolored kitchen. Cabinets are in, hardware's still got to go on, counters got to go on. Nice wild edge, pine slabs which will be used as shelving. This counter too will overhang about a foot to accommodate some additional seating for the kitchen. But ultimately minimalistic approach to design for this kitchen, not taking up much space, but being very usable and very comfortable. Not all the utilities installed, but we can still break it down and show you what's happening in here. So we have our electric panel. Ultimately, this is a 200 amp service, which most new homes required, passive home or code built home, 200 amp is common. We have our fresh air inlet, exhaust inlet, which will be part of the ERV, the fresh air system, be installed in the coming weeks. A constant pressure system, saving money, really minimizing the space in the utility room. So one unique feature that this house has that not a lot of our other homes have is a radiant heated floor. So this customer ultimately is coming from a house where he had a warm floor and wants to maintain that feeling. So a radiant, very comfortable addition, a little bit more costly addition, but optimal comfort. It's still going to save 90% of energy, so it still fits in the passive house concept, of course. Also here in the corner, there'll be a laundry station, so laundry hookup, dryer hookup for heat pump, air dryer. And you notice with respect to the air dryer, in most homes, there would be another vent going outside simply for clothes dryer. In a passive home, a condensing dryer is used, heat pump clothes dryer, so no vent required. So again, our Chelsea model, 1,600 square feet, 3 bedrooms in this home. This is one of the secondary rooms. So a small bedroom, about 9 by 10, will still accommodate a queen size bed. There's a double door closet here as well. Hardware's got to be put on. Nice 5 light interior door design for the closet. It's going to maintain the theme of the interior. One of the neat features in a passive home, due to the thick walls, also nice wide thick windowsills. This is white pine material. It'll get finished smooth with a nice clear varnish, of course. Can be used for many things. You can put books on the sill, plants. If you have a nice skinny butt, you could sit up on this sill as well and treat it as a piece of furniture. Linen closet between bedroom 2 and bedroom 3. Another comfortable 9 by 10 room, compact closets, double doors, nice interior doors matching the entry doors to the building. Walk-in closet really shows the nice polished concrete floor, which is covered for the most part. So concrete floor, you'll notice that you can see some of the aggregate in the floor. So ultimately there was a grinder machine brought in, a small surface of the concrete grinded down, and a clear sealer put on over top. So very nice finish on the concrete. You notice the windows have no screen. So screens, of course, can be mounted on the outside. We're at the end of bug season, so nice open view, no bugs to worry about. But during bug season, screens can of course be mounted on the outside, personal preference. This is where the ensuite washroom is. You can see on the wall, this orange board is ultimately a waterproofing, which will provide waterproofing for the lower part of the shower so that no moisture gets into the drywall. So what's set up on the wall? Even though this house is heated with a radiant floor system, there will be a mini split mounted on the wall. So mini split via heat pump, but strictly for air conditioning. There's a unit in the living room, and the customer also wanted a unit in the bedroom. So 2 mini splits for air conditioning, radiant heated floor, comfortable for all seasons, minimal energy. We're standing in the living room. Look at this huge window. Huge, massive window that operates as a solar collector, letting all that free energy from the sun into the home. Also provides a great view of the property. These are the east side windows, and there's a door as well. Typically we wouldn't put or recommend this much glass on the east wall if the home was in an open environment because of horizontal sunlight through the summer months, potentially overheating the home or causing unwanted energy in the home, causing the air conditioner to come on. But this property itself, fairly highly treed. You know, those trees in the background ultimately shade the sun from these windows. So no problem with these windows in this home, you know, really maximizing the view of the property. Look at this beautiful entry porch, true timber frame, 4 posts. You know, if this entry was in a conventional home, there would only be 2 outside posts. The beams would penetrate the inside air barrier, be a massive energy leak. In a passive home, we have to separate the porches from the envelope. The reason why there's 4 posts there, so not only is it functional, easy to build, but it's another feature of saving money, what just simply makes sense in a passive home. So a picture of what's happening on the outside of the home. We have our nice engineered wood siding, you know, highly resilient material, 100% recycled material, 100% renewable base material. Really does a great thing for the home. This house is a slab on grade. This is parging covering the styrofoam portion of the slab on grade system. You can also see here, styrofoam landscaping still got to happen. This styrofoam, it's 4 feet wide, it's about 3 inches thick. It provides all the frost protection for the building. So no more footings underground, slab on grade, built on a gravel base, perimeter styrofoam frost protection, protects the building in any cold climate.